Tired of the taste and smell of tap water? Imagine pouring yourself a glass of water that's crisp, clean, and free from the chemicals and metals you'd rather avoid. The BPA-free Brita 10-cup water pitcher offers exactly that. A simple way to enjoy refreshing, filtered water every day without buying bottled water or worrying about contaminants. What makes this pitcher stand out? For starters, it holds 10 cups of water, enough to fill 3 24-ounce reusable bottles, so you can stay hydrated on the go. Its compact design fits neatly on your refrigerator shelf, saving space while keeping water fresh and ready. The easy fill locking lid and ergonomic handle make pouring smooth and spill-free, while the cover over the spout keeps dust and insects out, a thoughtful feature many models overlook. I switched to this Brita pitcher after getting tired of the plastic waste and the off-putting chlorine taste in my tap water. The advanced filter technology reduces chlorine taste and odor, plus it cuts down on harmful metals like mercury, copper, zinc, and cadmium, contaminants that can affect your health over time. The electronic filter indicator takes the guesswork out of maintenance by letting you know exactly when it's time to swap the filter. That means consistently fresh water without the hassle. This pitcher is compatible with both long-last and standard Brita filters. The long-last filter lasts up to 120 gallons or about 6 months, while the standard filter is good for 40 gallons or roughly 2 months. With these options, you can choose the filter that fits your lifestyle and water consumption. Plus, switching to Brita helps you avoid roughly 1,800 single-use plastic bottles every year, making a real impact on the environment and your wallet. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use water pitcher that delivers healthier water and reduces plastic waste, the Brita 10-cup pitcher is worth a look. It's lightweight at just 2.48 pounds, simple to clean, and designed with your convenience in mind. Plus, the included water filter gets you started right away, so you can enjoy better water from day one. If that's you, someone ready to upgrade their hydration game with cleaner, better tasting water, try the Brita 10-cup water pitcher when you're ready. It's a smart, practical choice for anyone who cares about health, taste, and reducing waste. Start making the switch today and feel the difference with every sip.